Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get Spotify Premium for free. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open any type of preferred browser. Just go over to Spotify Premium Free Lifetime. Select the first website that comes up in the search list, and you can see that Spotify is currently providing a 6 months free trial. To get it, simply tap on Start Free Trial. Scroll down and select Create an Account. Now enter the credentials correctly and make sure you don't have the account already, or else your trial won't get activated on the old account. Now what you need to do then, just select the sign up button at the end of the page to get the free trial. It will then ask you to enter your payment method and you're done. So this is basically how you can get Spotify Premium for free. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.